Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Mini Cooper key fob battery. It's a simple process that can save you a trip to the dealership. You'll need just a few items: a fresh CR 2032 coin battery, which is widely available, and a small flathead screwdriver or a dedicated pry tool to help open the fob without damage. Let's get started and restore full functionality to your key. First, let's open your key fob. Look for a small silver button on the side, press it firmly to release and slide out the integrated metal key. This key isn't just for unlocking your door manually, it's also your primary tool for opening the fob. Carefully insert the tip of the metal key, or your flathead screwdriver, into the seam of the fob casing and gently pry it apart. Take your time to avoid any damage. With the fob open, you'll see the old coin battery. It's a CR 2032. To remove it, gently push the battery towards the center of its circular housing. This should slightly lift it, allowing you to easily pull it out. Now, take your new CR 2032 battery and carefully slide it into place. Ensure the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards for proper contact. Now it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely closed. Then, slide the integrated metal key back into its slot until it clicks into place. Finally, test your key fob's lock and unlock buttons to ensure everything is working perfectly. You've successfully replaced your battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.